Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your air filter in your Suzuki SV650. Okay, so first remove two cover. Next, remove the seat. You have two bolts, one on each side. Oh, find it. Next, I remove the two bolts holding the tank. So under the seat cover, you have this rod. This rod is basically a holder for the tank to keep the tank right up. Now this way you can just remove the air filter with no pain. Really useful. Here, just like this. It's not beautiful. Now you have four bolts holding the cover of the air filter. That's it. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, and if you want to help me to make more video like this one, you can hit the subscribe button. So, thanks for watching. Peace.